Hi, my name is Victoria and you are watching a Co-op Minute. Any kind of pet infestation can be a thorn in the side of any homeowner. At their worst, bug and mice invasions can cause damage to the floors and walls and can bring sickness into a household. Your local co-op carries a wide selection of products to help you limit and remove their presence in your home. But there are a few things to do before setting up a control plan. Number 1, identify the pest. The removal method you choose for eliminating pests from your home will largely depend on which insects or rodents are causing the issue. Many different pests make their way into homes across the country, but in Tennessee and Alabama, a few show up more than others, like ants, roaches, fleas, and more. Number 2, remove entry points. Even if you remove the pests from what you see as the infected area, there is no guarantee that more won't keep returning day after day. Pests like to enter homes from small cracks in the flooring and walls where they go unnoticed by you. Identifying these potential access points and resealing them can keep pests from coming into your home day in and day out. Number 3, keep it clean. While it may sound simple before beginning your pest control plan, you need to start with a clean space. Many times the cleanliness will be a deterrent on its own for many pests. Number 4, put together a game plan. Your local co-op staff is happy to help brainstorm the best course of action for your situation. Co-op offers traps, chemicals, and other ways to help remove these pests for good. We know that eliminating pests and rodents is no easy task, but we hope this gives you a good place to start. Thanks for watching this week's Co-op Minute, and check back next week for more tips.